afternoon, Class 5. Today we're going to look at which trusses can be used to strengthen bridges. So you're going to look at a lattice truss, a Pratt truss and a Warren truss, and you're going to have a go at making some to see if you can strengthen the bridge that you made yesterday. So a truss is made up of several beams connected together in different ways, and if you have a look at the image you can see the trusses that have been used here. These are in the middle. So you looked at your pillars yesterday and your trusses are the bit in the middle. You can see you've got a cross one there and the different shapes of them. But why do they make bridges stronger? The old roof is sagging and bending in this image because of the downward force of gravity. So imagine if a bridge did this while somebody's walking on it. Okay, that wouldn't be a good thing. So gravity is a downward force acting on bridges. This downward force pulls down on the beams and the decks, causing them to squeeze, stretch, twist and bend. As the gravity acts on the beams, it generates the compression of the forces. So you can see the orange arrows show how these compression forces spread out at either end of the bridge where it rests on the abutments. The downward force compresses, bends and stretches the beams unless it's supported, and this is where the trusses come in. So the trusses help to strengthen the bridges by distributing the weight along the length of it. So as you can see on the images, the force is spread out a lot more now and it's a lot stronger. So if you have a look on the board there, we've got a lattice truss, a Warren truss and a Pratt truss, and you're going to have a go at making some of those today. Which one do you think would bend the least, or which one would you think would twist the least? So you're going to have a go at building a truss bridge today that spans a gap of 40 centimetres. So for this you might need some paper straws or some plastic straws. If you haven't got any, it doesn't matter, you can just use rolled up paper, so don't worry. But if you have a look on the images that you can see on your screen now, that is sort of an example of what you need to be making. Oh, I've gone on to tomorrow's lesson there, sorry about that. So that's what I would like you to make an example of today. You can choose whether you want to do the lattice truss, the Warren truss or the Pratt truss.